Hello, welcome to Crystal Core Skills. In this video, we are going to look at the summary of the mathematical constants that we have looked at earlier. So we looked at pi, and we learned that pi was discovered in Egypt and Mesopotamia. Sometimes in 1900 BC, and the first person who calculated pi was, I would say, a group of people, was Archimedes. Archimedes of Syracuse, sometimes in 650 to 200 BC, and they use some kind of exhaustion or sequence of numbers to estimate the value of pi. I would say pi at this time, and then when they're doing that, they just use some kind of polygon in the fifth polygon in a circle, and in that polygon, each side of the polygon is actually an isosceles triangle. You can see here, so that the apex of each triangle here forms like 360 over the number of sides. So there are number of sides, alright. So they try to work out the perimeter of the polygon, which may be equivalent to the circumference of the circle that we know now. So they try to they start by choosing n equal to 2, and then 2n equal to 4, and then 4n equals to 16, and then 16n equals to 256, and then 256n equals to 65536, and then 65536 n equals to 4.3 something, I think 4.3 billion or something. So the more n they choose, the more closer they got to pi, which they estimated it as 3.14, but they did not come exactly to that point. They estimated it as 3.16 something, but they tried their best. So Archimedes of Syracuse did that, and then we learned that Zhu Zi, a great mathematician from China, also contributed to pi, but sometimes in 1700s, William Jones brought pi, made pi official, and then sometimes in the 18th century, Leonhard Euler actually brought pi into existence. He used pi in most of his work when he was trying to discover the Euler constant or Euler identity. So in his identity, which looked like something like this, he used pi there a lot, so that's why he made pi to become popular. He made pi popular, and he is the one actually who assigned this symbol, which is a Greek symbol, to pi. I don't know why they did that. Maybe because we have You can map that one to there, and that one to there, and that side to there to form pi. That's my hypothetical analysis, just to have some intuitive understanding of pi. So that's what we learn about pi. We also learn about other constant like he, which brought into mathematical or mathematics society by Euler, which is we say Euler's constant, and we learn that E is actually the limit of some number as it gets big, and the limit will tend to 1 as you try to get the proportion of that number and measure its rate of increase. So we learned that the value of E is actually 2.7 1828 for I think 9 something something. So that is the constant we learn as far as Euler constant is concerned. We also learned that Euler also came with I sometimes in the 17th century, just like E also sometimes in 18th century when pi was made popular by Euler. So this I also came into existence by Euler. I simply means imaginary number. It's an imaginary number which is defined as I squared is equal to minus 1, then I is the square root of minus 1. It's mainly used to solve a quadratic equation with the roots or which are not real. So if you have like x squared plus 1 equal to 0, x squared will give us something like minus 1. Therefore x is equal to the square root of minus 1, which is the value of I. So this is the reason why we need I. And we also learned that any number with I symbol is a complex number. So thank you for viewing. I hope this has been informative, and I'll see you next when we are going to exhaust pi and the circle more. Thank you.